Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're shedding light on the best outdoor decorations in the market, the Eueasy net lights. If you're looking to elevate your outdoor space with enchanting ambiance, stick around because this product might just be what you need. First off, let's talk about what makes these net lights stand out from the crowd. The Eueasy net lights are designed to transform any outdoor area into a mesmerizing oasis. With 480 LED lights spread across a 10 by 10 feet net, you're guaranteed a stunning display of warmth and radiance. What's impressive about these lights is the versatility they offer. With 8 lighting modes to choose from, including steady glow and twinkling patterns, you can customize the ambiance to suit any occasion. Whether it's a festive celebration or a cozy night under the stars, these lights have got you covered. Now, let's talk about ease of use. Installing these lights is an absolute breeze. Thanks to the end-to-end connectable ports, you can effortlessly connect multiple sets of net lights together, allowing you to extend the illumination as far as you desire. Plus, with a generous 16.4 feet LED, you'll have plenty of length to reach your power source. But wait, there's more. The Eueasy net lights come equipped with a handy timer and memory function. Simply press the button to activate the timer mode, which keeps the lights on for 6 hours and then automatically switches them off for 18 hours. Plus, the memory function ensures that your preferred setting is remembered every time. Now, let's talk about versatility. These net lights are not just for one occasion. Whether you're decorating bushes, gazebos, fences, or even using them for weddings or holiday celebrations, the Eueasy net lights add a touch of enchantment to any outdoor setting. And with their energy-efficient LED technology, you can enjoy long-lasting illumination without worrying about your electricity bill. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best outdoor decorations, look no further than the Eueasy net lights. With their stunning design, versatile lighting modes, and easy installation, they're sure to elevate any outdoor space. So why wait? Brighten up your backyard today with the Eueasy net lights. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on top-notch products. Until next time, happy decorating!